Want to know how to add a colorful console output? So if you want your output to be more interesting and attention grabbing, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a colorful console output automatically by using Cursor AI. So let's get straight to it. Now first things first, to simply open up your Cursor AI application. So we have also created similar videos regarding Cursor AI which is available on our channel, so make sure to watch it. So now once everything is done and once you are on your program right here, you can just simply select Ctrl+A, which selects the entire code. Now here you should have two options. The simply select quick edit since we are modifying the code. Now the simple type in this. Now once you have typed in this prompt, just simply select enter, and now once you have figured enter, you should be seeing the code changing. So you can just simply select keep in order to keep the code and you should be good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.